Small daily habits can make a big difference in our lives. So, hi, this is Harshita, and this is day 10. No, this is day 11 of Speaking English series. And today I am officially announcing this series, that is 30 days Speaking English series, in which we will improve together. So, in this video, I will be sharing with you my daily routine and how my day looks like nowadays after my board exams or my entrance exam. How productive is that? So, yes, definitely let's go further in the video. Before going further, I would like to, you know, say that please subscribe my channel and click bell icon for notifications and make it 200 as soon as possible, so that we will be a good and a big community in this series, and we will improve together. And in this video I will also be sharing something that is very important in daily perspective, while pronouncing, while speaking, that is very important. So stay tuned till the end, and please make sure you are subscribing my channel. So yes, let's just go into the video. So, daily routine. What does daily routine mean? Daily routine. Whatever you do throughout the day, from waking up to going to bed. So that is daily routine, and daily routine plays an important role in everyone's life. Like if you are a student, if you are a job worker, or you know you are a housewife. So everyone needs a daily routine. So in this video I will be sharing my daily routine, and I'll be take you through my day. So yes, let's just start the video. And if my accent is not good, please forgive me for that. I'm trying to hold my tongue and speak. Okay? So yes, and first thing first, obviously I've already told you that I will only use normal sentences. I don't know advanced sentences, but I'll try my best to, present myself. And in this series we will learn a lot of things, and by this series we will also continue our English speaking, improving our English speaking skills. Not only communication skills, at the same time it is English communication skills that is very, very important in every place. So yes, let's just start. So my daily routine, I woke up. Nowadays, since my routine has changed due to some reasons, before before this phase I was in class 12, and I used to wake up at 5 or 6 because I had to go to school. But nowadays I don't have to go to school, or I don't have to, you know you know I don't, have to wake up early, but I have to wake up early nowadays. mm, I think 4 days ago I've done something. So yeah, so I woke up at 5, sometimes 5:30, or before 6 I woke up and got ready. I got ready and went out for my typing classes. I do typing classes, and I do practice at home. Yesterday my father brought this for me, so that I can, no, this is not, that is OTG. He only given me. So this is gifted by my mamu. So thank you for that. Okay. So yes, got ready. After that, I went out for typing classes. Sometimes I go on foot, or sometimes I go with my father. Today I went with my father because that was actually needed, because I was actually very late. And I today I woke up at 5:43 when alarm clock rang. And after that I do typing classes and typing practice, because for my, for me typing is very needed. I don't know, I don't know how to type speed in a speed manner, so definitely I need it very much. So I decided to go for typing classes. And after that we I come from typing classes, and sometimes I mop the whole house. I mop the house actually, and after mopping, or sometimes I help my mother in some work. But nowadays I'm helping my father at the same time my mother, and uh, today I have not done that. But yeah, so, daily I help my mom in one or two works, and nowadays my father's works are pending, so I help him in that. And after that, I take bath, and after taking bath I usually eat, or before bath I eat sometimes, but most of the times I eat after taking bath. And after, you will be saying that, don't you pray? I don't, but I pray in my mind. I don't want to show any of the person in my house that I pray. Yes. So this is the truth of my life, that I don't want to show myself in praying. Definitely. After that I take my breakfast. I have my breakfast, and then I play with my brother and sisters. And sometimes I fight with my brother, and sometimes I talk with my father, mother. And nowadays I am hunting for colleges, so after that I do some work, like college work. Some searching, some hunting about colleges and hostels and everything. And sometimes after that, around 11 or 12, I actually do editing. I edit my own videos by my own, because no one is here to help me out with my editing. And after that I make my thumbnail. I try to make thumbnail at night, but sometimes I forgot, so I make thumbnail in the morning. And after editing, I go for sleep. I go for 1 or 2 hours of nap, but the nap gets converted into sleep, a deep sleep, that is of 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours. So I waste time in that. And after waking up by taking nap, I sometimes take my lunch, or I have my lunch, then, or I just eat mangoes. Nowadays it is mango time, so it is summertime, so mangoes are mandatory in every household. So definitely, like that, like many houses, mangoes are necessary in my house as well. So I eat mangoes. I just love to talk to people, so I talk to my you know masi, mamu, or my friends. After that I do research again, and uh, after researching for hours and hours, I do actually I try to find out some content that I should shoot. But nowadays I'm shooting, so I have to, I don't think about, think about these things. So on the spot I think, and I just shoot. Okay. So after that I just watch some serials. Don't judge me for that, because I love watching serials or cartoons or not web series. It is Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Plus I sometimes watch some vlogs, my videos. I love my own videos, so I watch it. And I make sure that I upload videos on time. So before 6 I upload videos. Sometimes days are not productive, but I have to do that, because I have committed that I'll post it daily for 30 days, and after 30 days I'll definitely try. Then at in the evening time I eat fruits. I eat some snacks. I actually munch on something. And after doing that, I sometimes I go for walk, or I go to my terrace, or I go to my room, and you know take conversational session. yes, I take conversation classes, and after that I have my lunch, I have my dinner, supper, and after supper I talk to my parents, I talk to my brother, and sometimes bhai is busy, is bhai gets busy, so I don't disturb him. So yeah, and while eating I talk with my mom. I know that is not a great idea, but yes, since we don't have time or we are busy in our lives, so whenever I get time I talk to my mother. I sit with her and talk about my colleges and hunting about colleges, and I talk about my future plannings. And after that I sleep for I don't sleep, I just lie down on my bed and try to think something to do nowadays, and to do extracurricular activities. So from tomorrow I have just decided that I will do something so that my skills will be increased, and I'll get to know about skills. Yeah, and around 10 or 11 I shoot my videos, and after that mm, if I since I shoot in another phone, so I just send these videos to my phone, and then I download it. After that I just go to bed and sleep. Not sleep, I just watch something which is very helpful or useful for me. So yes, I just do these things only. So yeah, this was my routine nowadays, and I know the routine is not perfect, but since I am trying to study, I'll start studying very soon. In 1 to 2 days I'll definitely start studying, and I'll be talking about that as well. So maybe the days will be different, the hours will be different. So yes, definitely. So this is my daily routine nowadays. After, and this is what life is, you have to choose your own by your own. And yeah, definitely. So yeah, this is my daily routine, and let's just talk about the thing that I was talking about. So in my last video I had given you tip of the day, and in this video I will be not giving you tip of the day, but I will be you know giving you some thing that will help you while speaking, while pronouncing, that is mispronouncing words that people do in everyday life. So definitely in my mind I have 3 or 4, so I'll definitely take from ChatGPT, and I'll meet you in just 10 to 15 seconds only, because I have in my mind 4 in my mind, 1 is left, so I'll definitely. So yeah, so some common mispronounced words that people do while speaking English. So first one is very very common, that is Wednesday. It is not Wednesday, it's Wednesday. What is that? Wednesday. Now second one, that is comfortable. It is not comfortable or comfortable or comfortable, whatever you say. It's comfortable. It is comfortable. What is that? Comfortable. I'm just mispronounced and pronounced. कहीं पर भी मैं sorry, I'll add it here, the correct one. Okay. Now jewelry. It's not jewelry, it's jewelry. What is that? It's jewelry. Jewelry. I am going to the jewelry shop. Right. Now, vegetable. People say vegetable. It is not vegetable, it's vegetable. Vegetable. I'm going to market to buy vegetables. Right. Now, often. uh, Often. That is often, not often. It's often. Colonel. Sorry, colonel. No, it is not colonel, anything. It is colonel. Colonel. February. It's February. February. Not, it is not February. It's February. February. Okay, so that's it for this. I think I have actually eight words I've given you. So practice while speaking. So I'll, you know, now I'm giving you examples as well in sentences. So yes, I'm comfortable here. I just love comfortable tables for myself. Okay. Second one, that is vegetable. No, vegetable. So mama, give me some vegetables. Give me some leafy vegetables. Okay. Now third, that is February, which you say no, it's February. So February is my birthday month. February is my birthday month. Fourth, that is pronunciation. It is not pronunciation, it is pronunciation. So the pronunciation of vegetable is vegetable. The pronunciation is a correct word. Okay. Now five, that is jewelry. No, it's jewelry. I've already told you. I'm going to a jewelry shop. Five or six, I think. I often go there. Now he was the colonel in his time. Wednesday. Wednesday is my favorite week. That's it. So that's it for this video. I hope you loved this video and this video helped you. And please speak and speak and speak, because if you will not start speaking, you will not improving. So please start speaking in front of anything. I've already given you the tips and tricks that you can do. So watch videos, listen, or anything. By doing anything, you should start speaking your journey, start your journey. And yes, I'm trying my best to give you, or I'm trying my best to improve myself as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Just subscribe my channel, click the bell icon for notifications. And also in upcoming days, I'm trying to, have conversation with my friends. So let's just see if whether she will agree or not. I just messaged her. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, bye bye, thank you for watching, bye.